Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can connect your dishwasher Candy Brava with your smartphone application. So, in the first step you have to find in your store the Candy Simplify app in the Google Store App Store. After that, of course, download it and open. Now you should see the login screen. You have to register your account or sign into your existing account. Now click on the Add Appliance, select Dishwasher and select the purchase date. Down the next, and now we have to scan the QR code or enter the serial number. How to find the QR code in our device is located on the right side of your doors inside your device. So I'm gonna tap the QR code scanning and just give me a second. Okay, I get QR code. Okay. Now tap on the next. Allow allocation. Then click on the next. And now hold the Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds on your appliance. Now we're in the register mode. Click on the next. Now tap the taps button for 3 seconds. Okay, click on the next. You should see the easy. Now you have to insert password to your Wi-Fi network that you're using on your device. Okay, appliance setup is completed and that's it. Now you can remotely control your dishwasher. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.